The PDF for this lesson is available. Check the description for the link. Number 1. Wipe down. The kitchen counters are so sticky. Oh, I'll grab a cloth and wipe them down. Just use the spray to make sure they're disinfected. I'll grab a cloth and wipe them down. To clean a surface by rubbing it with a cloth or sponge. He wiped down the table after dinner. She wiped down the bathroom mirror to remove the smudges. Number 2. Scrub off. This dirt isn't coming off the plate. Just scrub harder. It'll come off. I'm giving it to you. You can scrub it off. I'll scrub it off for you. To remove something using strength with a brush or sponge. She scrubbed the burnt food off of the pan. He scrubbed the dirt off of his shoes after the hike. Number 3. Sweep up. I made breadcrumbs. Oh no, the floor is absolutely covered with them. Don't worry, I have the broom. I'll sweep them up. I'll use the broom to sweep them up. To remove dirt from the floor using a broom. She swept up the broken glass after the plate fell. He swept up the leaves on the porch. Number 4. Mop up. The water from the bathtub spilled over onto the floor. I didn't think it would overflow. My bad. That's all right. I'll just mop it up. I'll mop up the water so you don't slip and fall. To clean a liquid spill using a mop. He mopped up the spilled juice on the floor. She used the mop to clean up the water in the kitchen. Number 5. Pick up. There's so much trash on the floor. I can't stand clutter. Let's clean everything up. Get the vacuum cleaner and I'll start picking some of this stuff up. I'll pick some of this stuff up. To lift and collect things from the floor. She picked up the clothes scattered around her bedroom. He picked up the books and placed them on the shelf. Number 6. Dry off. These plates are still wet. Just give them some time to dry. I'll dry them off now. Give me the towel, please. I'll grab a towel and dry them off. To dry in order to remove water from something. She dried off the glasses before setting the table. He dried off his hands after washing them. Number 7. Put away. Why are there dishes on the counter? Don't stress about it. They're clean. Please put them away when you get a chance. Please put the dishes away when you get a chance. To return something to its proper place. She put away the groceries after shopping. He put away his tools after finishing the repairs. Number 8. Dust off. The bookshelf hasn't been cleaned in ages. It looks so dusty. I'm going to dust it off. I'm going to dust off the bookshelves. To clean a surface by removing dust. He dusted off the picture frames on the mantel. She dusted off the old furniture in the attic. Number 9. Throw out. Do you really need these old magazines? No, I've been meaning to throw them out. Let's do it now and make some extra space. I've been meaning to throw out the old magazines. To discard something. She threw out the spoiled milk. He threw out the broken chair in the garage. Number 10. Get rid of. This closet is so full. Are you going to use any of this stuff, or can I throw it out? Let's put it out with the trash and get rid of it. We need to get rid of the things we don't use anymore. To eliminate or dispose of something. She got rid of her old clothes to make room for new ones. He got rid of all the clutter in his office. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. After the water spill, he grabbed a towel to what the floor? Dust off or mop up? Mop up. After the water spill, he grabbed a towel to mop up the floor. She had to wet the stains with extra effort. Scrub off or sweep up. Scrub off. She had to scrub off the stains with extra effort. After breaking the glass, he what the pieces? Swept up or dried off? Swept up. After breaking the glass, he swept up the pieces.